This is a quick demonstration of how images are handled in IGP Flip. I'm just changing the page to a demonstration page that's already been prepared. On the left we have the writer pane where we do all our work. On the right we have the reader pane where we can see the preview of what we're doing. In this book we've got a number of images which have just been positioned and resized on the page. To do this, we have a number of controls for every image that gets inserted into the system. It can be a figure, image, a plate, map, and this can be extended to different genres. For print, we have page float, none, top, bottom, top, next, column top, column bottom, galley float, which is mean as left and right, and if we have a page which has extended margins, we can also use outside and inside margins to create a textbook look. Images, when they're resized, can also be aligned left, right, center, and we can control the width of an image with a single click. Here I turn the image into a 50% of the width of the galley. I click in alignment and I can put it in the center and I can put it into the right. This image we want to leave at auto, and we'll leave alignment at auto as well. We can close this so it hides the tools and gives us a better look. Now what can we do here? To insert an image into the page is very, very easy, and it can be done as many times as I like. With the toolbar I can click delete and just remove the image instantly. I'm now going to place an empty paragraph. Now I'm going across to Media Manager in the preview pane and I'm clicking on Media Manager. I've already preloaded a number of images. Images are very, very easy to upload and they're automatically resized for multi-formats as they come. If we have a look here, for example, at our capsicum, we can see we've got our print at 1704 by 2274 pixels. The online image is 500 by 666, and our small thumb and large thumbnail have also been created. This happened automatically for us when we used the upload feature. All we had to do is say I wanted an image, browse for our images, and make a selection. Back to the galleries. And here we are back in the image tag. So we want to insert our whale tail image. Now we have a number of options. When we insert this, we can insert it as a numbered image, which means it'll come up with fig 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that'll be generated. As an illustration, an image with no caption. It can also be an icon paragraph, a page plate, and we can use this same dialog just to replace an existing image. So let's just have a quick look at, for example, icon paragraph, and the image has become an icon. To get rid of that, all I have to do is use the unwrap command. The image has now become large. I delete that and we're now back with our content on the page. However, what we're interested in doing is inserting this as a numbered image. We're now going to set this to 70% of the page width. We're going to put it into the center and we're going to have a look and see what we've done. Instantly the preview pane is refreshed and here we see the image 70% wide. And we can type out caption here. And with no further ado, it's all ready and updated for us. Remembering from the previous demonstration that I can click Formats on Demand at any time, select EPUB, click Generate, and within a matter of seconds I have an EPUB for downloading. We'll open it in Digital Editions. Images floating in the gallery, make the text a bit smaller, images sizing in the gallery, and we can see the pictures that are in the system here. Let's close that now, and we'll just go and have a look now at floating images. In this demonstration you can see the images are floated left and right, and the text is wrapping around them. It's exactly the same process, except this time we've been using the galley float option. At the moment this is floated to the left, one click and float to the right, and a save. The server content's updated, the preview pane is updated, and we instantly see the finished result. We want to change the percentage width because we think that's a little bit of a tight read. We change it to 60%, and we see that result instantly. The same applies to the other images on the page. We now go to Media Manager, click on Image tab, and we say we want to insert this image. We only want to insert this as an image, we don't want a caption, so there we go. We're going to make it 40%, and we're going to galley float this to the right. You don't see the change here on a galley float, only on alignment. Now, we don't have to keep going backwards and forward to the galley if we're using the same image. I'm just going to click on the Copy to Clipboard button. Now we'll just come down a paragraph, and we can use the Paste the Block feature and put that same image in. Not where we wanted it. Let's just insert our cursor into the right position, and here we go. This one we're going to galley float to the left, and we're going to also make it 40%. I save the page. The page is automatically updated, and instantly I can see the two capsicums laid out on the page. I don't like the way the text is handling, so assuming that the content lets me do this, I'm just going to move this paragraph. And we can have a look here. Now remember, this is for a reflow environment, so playing around with the text is not possibly what you need to do. You need to make sure that you check the result you're looking for on the output device. That's the end of this demonstration of IGP Flip, image manipulation and processing basics. Thank you for your time.